Hello students, in last video we learned about input device and output device. Today we learn third part of our computer system overview is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is the main control center and processing unit. It also called brain of the computer as it guides, direct and control and governs the performance of a computer. So in short way we can say CPU is a main body or main part of our system, which is also called brain of a computer. So it performs all the activity which computer run smoothly by the help of the CPU. The CPU has some sub-component that help in carrying out processing of a task. So CPU are divided into three parts: ALU, CU and register. So first we learn what is ALU. So ALU stands for Arithmetic Logical Unit. As its name suggests, it performs all four arithmetic operations: plus, minus, multiplication and division, and all some logical operation: less than, greater than, equal to, less than equal to, greater than equal to and not equal to operations. So whatever calculation we want to make or whatever condition we want to compare, all this task is done by the ALU in CPU. So for example, when two numbers are required to be added, so whenever you want to add two numbers, these numbers are sent from memory to ALU where addition takes place. So addition takes place in the ALU section, so memory to ALU, then the result is put back in the memory. In the same way, like arithmetic operation, we can also perform logical operation in ALU. The numbers to be compared are sent from the memory to ALU where the comparison takes place and the result returned to the memory. By default, generally the result of the logical operation is either true or false. So whenever we want to compare condition, their result either true or false. So in short, ALU is used to perform all arithmetic, plus, minus, multiplication, division and all condition comparing: less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to and not equal to is performed by the ALU. Second part of the CPU is CU. CU stands for Control Unit. This unit control and guide the interpretation, flow, manipulation of all data and information. So it is very important unit of the CPU which is used for interpretation, flow and manipulation of data and information. The control unit send control signal until the required operation are done properly by ALU. So this unit send the control signal until all task has been completed by the ALU or memory. CU or control unit also perform program execution. So whatever program we want to execute by the help of CU, this task is done by the control unit. The control unit even control the flow of data from input device to memory and from memory to output device. So input control unit even control the flow of data from input device to memory and memory to output device. So generally all main tasks of the CPU about the flow of information or manipulation of data or interpretation of a program, so this thing is done by the CU. And last is registers. Registers or process register are small units of data holding place. So smallest part of the memory in CPU is known as registers. The CPU uses registers to temporarily hold some important processing information during the time of the processing is taking place. So whenever we are processing some data or some information, that temporary information is held into the register. CPU may store some part of data or some memory address or some instruction in its processor register. So generally CPU store in the register part of data or memory address or some instruction, and processing speed of the register is very fast. So processing speed of the registers is very fast. So today we learned our third part of the computer system overview is CPU. And what is the CPU and what are the part of the CPU? ALU, CU and registers. Then we learn about what task has been performed by the ALU and what task is performed by the control unit and what is the use of the registers.